Xiaomi Watch 5 with ECG, EMG and Xiaomi Buds 6 to launch alongside Xiaomi 17 Ultra, as is typical for Xiaomi. The upcoming Xiaomi 17 Ultra is not launching alone, but is accompanied by new accessories and wearables. The company will also announce a new premium smartwatch with a stainless steel body and sapphire crystal, along with several new health features. The Xiaomi Buds 6 are going to focus on lossless wireless audio. There are a lot of new teasers for Xiaomi fans to kick off this year as Christmas week, which is turning out to be anything but quiet. Thanks to the Xiaomi 17 Ultra launch event that's scheduled for December 25th, these Christmas holidays will be far from boring, as today's announcements suggest. In addition to official Xiaomi 17 Ultra press images in 3 colors, as well as teaser videos and camera samples for the new Leica camera, one of the many Xiaomi accounts on Weibo also features the first teaser posters for a new smartwatch called the Xiaomi Watch 5, which appears to be a particularly high-end premium. The smartwatch will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 chipset, and Xiaomi promises new health features such as ECG, as well as an electromyography EMG sensor that can measure the electrical activity of muscles. It's unclear what Xiaomi will to evaluate with this feature, but in principle, the technology can be used for muscle and nerve diseases but also for performance optimization in sports. The design of the new Xiaomi smartwatch is also rather striking, as the manufacturer opted for a stainless steel body and double-sided sapphire glass with a scratch-resistant surface. The Xiaomi Buds 6 are also launching on December 25, 2025. These new TWS earbuds are expected to feature lossless audio and AI-powered real-time translation. An initial image can be seen in the teaser poster below, which shows the Xiaomi Buds 6 in 3 colors, namely black, white and pink. Although active noise cancellation is not explicitly mentioned, it is very likely to be included. That being said, it's not yet known when the new Xiaomi wearables will arrive in Europe and other markets. A launch during Mobile World Congress in early March might be plausible.